Hi, my name's Phoebe. I do HSC Visual Arts and my piece is called In Sickness and in Health. In Sickness and in Health is an exploration of unity being a vital component of overcoming the destructive effects of mental illness. In Sickness and in Health is derived from the wedding vows. In Sickness and in Health, marriage is the confirmation of unity and shows commitment to a relationship, thus one should be there for one another when one falls ill. At first glance, the notion of mental health may not be perceived, but rather it is evident that the unity of two people is important in order to accept and overcome mental illness. My body of work strongly portrays the notion of a shoulder to lean on, which is embodied by my parents who seek reassurance from each other, further representing the teamwork that is needed to get through difficulties together. My family has gone through many ups and downs in their life as a result of mental illness, but they show that the good times outweigh the bad as they continue to make the most of life. Each drawing utilises gaze as an important element to express the concept of moving forward towards the future and looking back on the past.